So I just got this super cool tool bag, which is perfect for tools or outdoor gear or anything like that. So it has this nice sturdy carry handle on the front, super big zippers, nice buckles on the sides. It's also in this black camo color, plus you can write or label whatever you need to on the front. Here you have a spot for screwdrivers or anything else you need to stick in there. If you have like chem lights or things like that. The front, oh cool, there's a carabiner and some stickers, and then just a nice big pouch in the front. What I love about this as well is that this actually has hard sides, so it's not going to compress any of your tools, which is really handy. The bottom have these nice durable feet, and let's open it up. You got to unbuckle the sides, fully open it, and then pop it open like this. It stands on its bottom foot and then has this nice opening. It has a couple handles on the inside. You could grab it if you want, keep it open as you're running around. And then the inside looks like this, which is all this rubberized material. You have these nice big flaps that open so everything doesn't fall out the sides. And then you have these zipper compartments on both sides with these nice super durable side pockets. And that's the same for both sides of this. So it's a really nicely made heavy duty tool and outdoor gear bag. And it's just wonderful. I'm gonna probably throw some of my Milwaukee tools in as I do some of my house projects, just to have everything in a nice organized space. And honestly, I can't highly suggest this enough. It's just so well made. I really like seeing this kind of gear. So if you're looking for something like this, I highly suggest you check this out.